Good evening, lovely spirits. It's the wise servant here, Mr. Solace. I come in the sign of the rising sun, peace and wisdom. This evening I want to do this video for you guys discussing sound. It's a very deep thing. Someone asked me through email, why do I keep playing this evil song? And this song is not evil. It's about life. Sound is the creator. You have to grasp. From sound you get all. Starts from a single tone, leaving the void. And then another. And then these tones begin to come together in frequency, lock in with one another. Solid out, take shape and form. And this is all energy. But we don't grasp that. Now I'm going to rewind this song so that y'all can grasp. Because this song tells life. You just have to grasp what you hear. It's a deep thing. Now grasp. That's the void. The vibration. Single tone leaving the void. Struggling. That's what that means. Struggling. Another one leaves. They're struggling too. It's a deep thing. Then they come together. Different tones. Locked in a frequency with one another. It's a deep thing. Y'all have to grasp. Then you get shape and form. That's what that is. Life. Going on its course. It's a deep thing. Coming together, being trapped and locked in and going on its course. And this is the death. The womb, the vibration from the beginning, the void. All over again. So it's a deep thing, transcending through the different levels of life. Single tone again. But it's stronger. It's like the electron within an atom becoming a sperm cell. The same thing, but stronger. And it's the life. The sperm is the spirit, the egg is the body. Different tones locking in frequency with one another. And so you got the life. And from that you get purpose and meaning and anything else you want. But it's a deep thing. It's like individuality being pulled together from how it was in the beginning. So it's a deep thing. Single tones coming together. Sperm cells, egg cells coming together. It's all coming back together. But you have to remember the single tone left the void, the allness. And this is where you have the self. This is why everybody is into the self, because the life is pulling back together. And for a thing to exist, it must have its resistance. So we are the resistance to the life. The life is coming together. We trying to pull apart. And so all is balanced. And it's a deep, beautiful thing y'all have to grasp. It's the whole Satan story. Lucifer. He didn't want to be a part of the whole, so he's cast away. He's separate. It's like the tone leaving the void. It's a deep thing, you know. It's an evil thing, but it's how you get the life going continuously going. One thing wants to be greater than what's great. And so the bar is raised because of this. And this thing will be the sacrifice. But so the life keeps expanding and the levels raise. It's a deep, cold-blooded thing. But my wisdom is deep. I don't need books, and I can just use sound. It's all how you can grasp. But in any event, it's the wise servant here, Mr. Solace. Peace and wisdom.